guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. So I'm always trying to make sure I have a way to get things done, because I'm about my business. It's not a side hustle for me. This is how we eat. Recently, I had somebody ask me in our mentorship program, do I do this full time? I do. Full time. Every day. 7 days a week. I'm out here in my sister's car today because, like I said, we hanging out, waiting on her to come back with her commission. But yeah, even with that, I have my notary bag in the car. Your girl don't play. Somebody might call me and need a notary. Jasmine says, let's see what her comments are. Jasmine says, yes, they did. I'm printing the docs now, 40 pages, all letter. I told them I could do 12:30, but looking at the docs, I might be able to arrive earlier. Yeah, and quit stressing, Jasmine. You've been doing this long enough, girl. Go get your coins. It's not that much. It's 40 pages. It's a loan modification. Sounds like a loan modification. 2 or 3 notarizations. Boom. Go get your money. Gotta update my witnesses. Yeah. And tell them what's going on. Always keep your witnesses in the loop. Because I got a guy right now. I scheduled it while I was in the car with my sister earlier. And he wants an appointment. First he was like, well, you got something Friday or Saturday? I'm like, right now I'm open both days. Okay. At first it seemed like he didn't really want to commit. So he was like, well, I could do Friday. And he's like, well, but if we can't do Friday, then I'll let you know about Saturday. Well, I got a little flexibility right now, but my witness may not. I don't play around with my witnesses. I respect my witnesses. I respect their time, energy, and paying them. Okay? All of the above. Their time, energy, and paying them. I don't play with my witnesses, because without witnesses, documents do not move. And a lot of notaries, a lot of times, unfortunately, they do not have witnesses. I don't know nobody. Well, you need to either find your own witnesses. Oh no, I got stuff all on the back of my leg from the concrete. People gonna be like, what's wrong with her? I'm sitting here on this concrete waiting on her. It's taking a long time today just because I got y'all live and we waiting on Karen to come back. Kay Denise to come back with her certificate. Yeah, but it's okay. Half hour later, I think it was scheduled for noon, your appointment. So if you got a half hour, you can wait and go do it. You know? But again, I'm always about trying to make it happen, because don't forget, this one notarization job can turn into a great relationship. See, a lot of times we one-hit wonders. It's only about this one job in front of me right now. I don't think like that. I think every interaction can lead to something else. And it usually does. Hey, Martha. How are you? Angela M, what's up? What's up? How are you? Yeah, I don't think one term, one hit wonder. No, this is not my only job from this client. I'm thinking, what else are they going to send me? Who else do they know? And that's not why I do a great job. I do a great job just because that's who I am. That's who I am in my life. You know, you can't just turn on and off. Well, let me do this. No, let's be about who we are. I say that all the time. You cannot fake it. You are who you are. Even when you are at the end of life, people are who they are. If you was mean and you was all that during living life, toward the end, you're going to be the same way. It's very few people that just change. So if you need some help right now, learning how to be a better person, let's do some self-development. What does that look like? Self-development. We hear that all the time. Do you need to work on being nicer? Do you need to just work on liking yourself? Because if you don't like yourself, you darn sure can't be, hey, how you doing? Talking to other people. You don't even like yourself. Do I like myself every second of the day? maybe not every second, but I'm okay with myself. I'm okay. I try to be. I have moments like everybody else. But in your business, you can't be flip flopping. You call one day, you nice to your client, the next day they like, who is this? I was looking for that other nice girl. Oh, that's me too. You got. I know you got that friend. Everybody got that friend. Today y'all super cool. Y'all hang out. Y'all do lunch together. Tomorrow they don't even know you. Can't catch them if you wanted to. See you face to face, won't even speak to you. Like they got some real mental issues, or something going on. I'm not a doctor, but if me and you spend a whole day together, I got quite a few friends like this, so I don't know what that say about me. Even though I do have the patience of Job, but I got quite a few. Today we ate spoon coons, we hanging out, da whatever. And then I see them the next day, don't even want to speak. I'm like, what's up with that? So, don't you be that person with your clients. How about that? Be consistent. Always say greetings. Always say hello. How are you? How's the fam? Try to develop a relationship. Martha says, I'm good. Thank you. And how are you? I'm good, Martha. We are waiting on my sister, Kay Denise, to come out with her notary commission. And it's just taking a long time because I got everybody here waiting. So she decided she wanted to become a notary, like Jasmine was saying earlier in the chat. My sister has served as a witness for me a couple of times. And she was like, there is no way I want to be bothered shuffling all them papers. And then one day she was like, I'm going to be a notary. And I said, oh, really? I'm going to interview her when she comes back. I'm waiting on her to come back. I'll probably just give her the whole phone and let her do her thing because I didn't bring my selfie stick. I was looking for it and I didn't bring it. People are looking like, what's wrong with her? When you do content, guys, you got to be prepared. People are going to be looking at you like, what is wrong with you? But I don't really care that they look at. They're going to look at you anyway. They're going to look at you if you got a camera, if you don't. If you just walking along, somebody looking at you talking about you. So, anyway, this is what I do. This is my job. I might just stand under this tree because this sun's getting hot. Where is she? And I don't want to go in the place because I didn't want to go through security. That's what was going on. I didn't feel like going through security, and I'm filming, so I didn't know if they would frown on that. Got a little more shade here. What questions do we have? Oh, thank you, Martha. Thank you. Yeah, she was here before she went in. Still waiting on her to come back. But just so y'all can see our surroundings. Hold on. So this is 75 Langley Avenue here in Georgia. People, it's kind of slow today for Monday. It's actually kind of slow. Yeah, but it doesn't cost that much to become a notary, guys. Most states, the investment is under $100 to get your commission. Here she comes. Are we a notary? Ah, there she goes. Wait, let me get closer. Will it let me zoom in? It won't. Let me walk towards her. Yay! Here she comes. Notary extraordinaire. Congratulations, sis. Oh, no, she did not. Oh, no.
Oh, my God.
She got it. Let me see.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Look, she got
it. I did.
So I know you don't like the sun. She can't stand the sun, so we'll go to the car, and then I'll let her tell y'all her story right quick.
Sure.
Congratulations.
It didn't take very long.
Today it did, though, because usually people be in and out.
Someone else she was getting her notary and getting sworn in.
Oh, somebody else? How many people today?
It was just one lady ahead of me.
Okay.
And the other window was closed. It wasn't a line.
No, it's never a line here in Georgia. It's never a line. How much was it?
$52.
$52. So I'll let her tell you all that when we get in the car. I'm gonna just hand her the camera, and she could just tell you a little bit about herself right quick. But she don't like the sun, so
no,
she's not about to stand out here with y'all. But I'm so excited for her. Her life just got changed.
It did.
And she's been changing. How do it feel?
It feels good. It feels real to be sworn in after reading the
Did
book.
she make you put your hand up?
Yes, I had to take the oath.
Oh, she did? No, not of course. Not everybody do.
Really?
No, they do not.
Well, I had to take. I was sworn in.
Okay. That's why I asked, because I get calls all day. People say, Kimmi, my person didn't swear me in.
No, she swore me in.
Hold on, I'm going to get her the phone. Hold on.